So man. Yeah. Next time bring a tripod.
So we have gotten our stuff. So I have a point. So you should always start with the best things. You didn't give any tissue papers?
Ooh. Yeah.
No, just that one. Sachets, oregano and what is this? Look at this texture. Wow. There's no taste. It's not good. You should have gotten that one. The cheese inside.
You didn't tell me that. It's not good.
Good morning. So basically, I did not sleep the whole night. I was watching this amazing movie, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. It is so good. And then at 3:49 a.m., my dad wakes up and he's like, "Did you sleep?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I just woke up and today I'm gonna fix my schedule." So I didn't sleep the whole night and now I'm gonna go to the gym. So yeah, don't know how I'm gonna shoot there, but let's go. First of all, I recently got a haircut in the morning and now I am so sweaty. That's because I have to close the windows, turn off the fan, even though it's still on, it's working on like one or something, just to make the room soundproof. Just to do that. I mean, it would be amazing if you had an AC, but you don't. So yeah, I just wanted to reflect on a few things. Like, I never imagined myself to be on YouTube. I strictly have a very private life. Like, no one knows anything about me. No one. Literally no one. And my parents never had any connections or friends, no friends. They just never said anything to anyone. Or maybe like it's a very tight circle. And I had a more tighter one. So no one knew about me. And then I started YouTube. Like, the most unexpected thing that can happen happened. And now I have this expensive gear, the lights, the tripod, the phone, the mic. It's expensive. And it's amazing how life turns out when you just take few steps, just keep moving forward. As long as you are not in the same place, and as long as you are making progress ahead, that's always good. But if you have a goal, making a company, becoming a billionaire, okay, you have that goal in mind, but you're here, that's your goal, $1 billion company. You're here, you're taking steps forward over here. Let's say you are doing a doctor, you keep taking steps forward here, 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 here. Now maybe the billionaire thing is this big, and then you can like take a turn over there, but maybe it's not. So you are taking steps, you are moving forward, but you're going in a complete wrong direction, which sucks. It just sucks. So I want you to have a goal, like where do you want to go, because no amount of wind is good when you don't know which port you want your boat to go. Like literally no amount of wind is good. If you don't have a destination in mind, if you don't have a place where you want to go, where you want to be, you're just wasting your time. Even if you're moving forward, even if you are using the fuel, the petrol, whatever you work on, even if you're using that, you are going nowhere. What's the point of moving forward when it's the complete opposite direction? And I have been thinking about that, and I still have to think about that and write everything down. Trust me, write every single thing down, and obviously then burn the book because if someone reads that, it's just so. But if you have any problems, writing it down, it's amazing thing. I'm just going to ramble in this video. Soundproof, what? Seriously, the sacrifice which I'm doing for you guys. I'm drinking coffee because my throat is. So basically I went out with someone and it was amazing. I hope my mom doesn't see this. Actually no, I didn't go out with anyone. So my theory about writing your things down. So I'm gonna sound like Chris Williamson. I just love his podcasts. So my theory on writing things down is that your thoughts are in the back. Don't mind. I'll start a background music now. That's because of the sounds. So my thoughts about writing your things down is that when you have a thought, okay, it's in the back of your brain, you can't see it, it's not tangible, it's nothing, it's in the air. You're thinking about this problem, you're like, should I do this, should I do that? But we have this gift that we can put our thoughts on paper and you can literally see what you're thinking. You can see it, and then you can think about your thinking. It's just God. You can think about the thing that you're thinking, and then if you write that thing down, my friend, you have become Oppenheimer. On the front page of my diary, let it offend you that someone else could be handed your days and turn them into something greater. This is from Seneca on the shortness of life. Totally Chris Williamson. I love his book. I love his podcast. So yeah, that's the second thing. The third thing is money. I have been earning quite some time now. I had weird small businesses. I then had an online business. I had an offline business. I had many kinds of business. All kinds. I used to sell bouncy balls. I used to get it from one city and I used to sell it in the other city. Amazing time. I used to sell it to two or three people. And these two amazing guys. That time was amazing. So, about money. There is this thing where you have to save, right? That's where you all come from. And I personally, I don't want to save, because let's say there is this, let's say you are a physiotherapist, okay, and you're studying, oh no, you have a graduation in physiotherapy, okay. Now that graduation gets you a salary of, let's say, $4,000, $5,000 a month. But there is this course which teaches you how to crack bones, like how to crack these bones and up. I think you call it chiropractor. How to do that, or some specialization in some shit. That course is for $10,000. Your salary is for $5,000. That course is for $10,000. Now, if you can't buy that course because you don't have the money. Two options. You either wait, okay, save 3,000 every month, 3,000, 3,000, take you 3 months, 4 months to get that money, okay, and then after 4 months you go get the course, and it's like a week-long course, 7-day course, and then you put it, okay, and then your salary becomes 20,000, literally 3x the return. This is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is just diving. And by that, what I mean is what Matthew Magagagini, I don't know how to pronounce it. The guy who plays Interstellar, that guy, okay, he says that don't half-ass it. If you're gonna do something, dive. Don't dip your toe and say maybe, no. If you want to do something, just dive. So go get a loan of $10,000 and get that course. Risk it all. Get that loan, okay? And then after 7 days, your salary will become $20,000. Amazing. So yeah, you like get what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say, you know? Risk it all. That's what our education was. Oh, that's what our whole education system was based on. It was based on debts, but it was based to help you. You know, this education is for $40,000. Okay, no student has that money, so you go to the bank, you take that debt, you get that loan, you put it in college, university, okay. After you pay, after you're done with that 5-6 year course, then you go, you get a job, and you have this level of skill set where you have the money to pay back. That was the whole plan. But 6-7 years in our time is too much. Even 7 days is too much. In 7 days we are seeing so many changes. AI has evolved, okay. This video is made before GTA 6. God, I played GTA on my PSP. I don't know why I'm talking about it. And the PSP was... I used to play GTA on a portable PlayStation. It's a small thing. I had a PlayStation and it was 3, which never worked. It got stolen actually. My friend had a PlayStation 5 and that game is so addictive. That's why I don't play. I play life. I play life. I think it's a good picture of a thumbnail. My secret to making thumbnails is that I don't even take pictures for thumbnails. I just look at the video and just see which one's the best video, best angle, then I take a screenshot, and then I edit it. It's my secret. And as this is so many minutes long, I know you ain't gonna see it except the few of you. And to those who have reached this point, 11-12 minutes, I respect you with my heart. I love you all. Trust me. I know it's hard watching these videos. I mean, you can hear a baby crying, you can hear something happening outside. It's amazing. Plus, I think I should end this off. Look at my tan. Look, I'm like completely black. The sun has blacked me. I never used to care about this, but slowly as I grow wiser, I'm like, you have to take care of your skin. If you don't, who will? And you can't look black. I'm a racist. You can't look dark. No. You can't look too tannish. You know what I mean? Tannish. It's like, this is just too much. I think I have too much. So yeah, I am getting a few new things for my clinic things. So I'm gonna wear that, show you that. We are just doing so many things. Our content has improved. Every Sunday and Wednesday I'm gonna upload. I promise you. I promise you. Plus I'm like uploading on Instagram so good pictures. Like, I don't take good pictures, but it's amazing what I can do. It's amazing. And even you can be amazing. Just don't care what people say. Okay? 300 years from now, none of the people you see will exist. None of their opinions will matter. Except what you do now. What you do for your family. What you do for your legacy. So, keep going. Okay, there's a quote which I read on how to be a brilliant person. If you do instantly what others do eventually, you're a brilliant person. And don't quit. I love you all.